All right, what it do, budget crew? Welcome back to another video. And today it's a detail video. Finally, you guys been asking for these, so here's one at you. I went ahead and vacuumed the car. This is my mother's car. You guys can already see the stains there. That was just like water stains that I know of. So this was the water, so was that, and then we got that deeper, darker stain over there. I'm just gonna hit the whole seat, to be honest. We also got stain here on the headrest, a little tiny one, and then the passenger side we got most of the seat, so we're just gonna hit everything as well. So we're gonna put this little guy back to work. Same solution, guys. I still have some of the solution that came with the actual spot cleaner itself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this up, set it up with hot water, put some of this on there, and then we're gonna be using this spot cleaner. I have some of this. There's still a little bit left over, so I'm gonna try to make it last for all those stains. All right, guys, so now we got this little spot cleaner. This one shoots pretty crazy. Yep, it shoots pretty crazy, so we're just gonna soak that up. Here, everything right here, especially over there, that's where that water stain was at. We got this headrest stain right here. Let that soak up. Now we're gonna go ahead and spray the passenger seat. And it's out. It's all out. So I'm gonna get right to it, guys. I'm gonna start the little green spot clean. All right, guys. So now that we kind of wet everything, we're gonna wet it a little bit more with the spot free, whatever cleaner. Get some water going over there, and then we're gonna hit it with the drill brush. I don't think we need to. Actually, we're not gonna hit it with the drill brush because this material is like, it's really soft, so I don't want to fuck it up with the bristles. I mean, these are not that rough. The ones on the brush, on the drill brush, are way more abrasive. So we're just gonna do it like this. Hopefully this goes away. It should. We're using hot water, so just wet it, brush it. Should be fine, honestly. Alright, guys, so I just got started on this side. A little bit of dog hair. You can still see the stain here. It kind of cleared up a little bit. I was gonna, like I said, I don't want to hit it with that brush because I know it's gonna mess it up, so I'm just gonna use this one just to brush through it a little bit, soap it up even more, and then just keep extracting. Hopefully it's gonna clear up regardless. It's already a lot better than what it was. But for now, I'm gonna head over to the other side and just start spraying more of that water and extracting it right away, so that way it doesn't leave any worse stains like this right here. Yeah, that's not good. All right, so spray this a little bit, extract it. All right, guys, so I went ahead and hit the front seats. You can still kind of see like a little tiny imprint. It's still a little bit wet. Backside, it's all right. It's a lot cleaner. You can, like I said, you can still kind of see. I don't know if it's the material. You know, I haven't been doing this long enough to tell you guys what's going on exactly, but we did clear them up a lot. You know, my mom, she's gonna buy some covers for the seats, so no biggie. You know, it was just for you guys, just to get that video out and throw out some more detailing content. But you know, I will be making a better video, guys. Don't worry. You know, this video is kind of whack, but it is what it is, guys. But you know, the main thing is we did get results. You know, it is a lot better than what it was, and honestly, that's good enough for me. So just gonna put everything away. If you guys are doing this, make sure you leave your windows down for the rest of the day or rest of the night, because we do need some ventilation. If you can, leave the doors open, but if you can't, just, you know, leave the windows down a little bit, just so you can get some air going through there and dry it up a little bit more. But yeah, guys, sorry for the short video. It was kind of whack. Sorry if it's not what you guys were expecting, but I will be making something way better, guys. Just stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for the support. You guys commenting in the comments down below, you know, giving me advice, things I should do, stuff I should buy, products I should try out. I really appreciate that, guys. It goes a long way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.